Greetings for the day, respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Coordinator Teachers, and dear teachers. Today I am delivering lesson plan for class 5, and the topic of my lesson plan is kinds of sentences. Expected learning outcomes are: students will be able to identify 4 kinds of sentences, that is declarative, exclamatory, interrogative, and imperative. Determine which type of punctuation mark is used with any given sentence. Demonstrate their ability to write declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative sentences. To identify and use the 4 kinds of sentences in writing. Illustrate the difference between different kinds. Pedagogy, storytelling, activity method, and gamification. Pre-knowledge. Students will come to the classroom with the prior knowledge of the meaning of a sentence, subject, and predicate. A storyboard will be prepared by the teacher. This is a story about a tree and a herb titled Strong and Weak. The teacher will deliver the story with voice modulation in an interesting manner. Various questions from the story will also be discussed in the class, and moral will also be discussed. After discussing, she will elicit the examples of subject and predicate to recapitulate the previous knowledge. Then story will be shown again on the screen, and children will be asked if they can notice something about the sentences used. There will be different answers with the different perceptions. Then the teacher will ask students to notice highlighted sentences with 4 different colors. After that, teacher will introduce 4 kinds of sentences to the children by showing an interesting video. After this, a Padlet activity will also be done in the class by asking students to write different kinds of examples on the Padlet. Some children will write correct sentences, and some sentences will be corrected by the teacher and other children too in a healthy way. Certain examples will be given to them from real life situations too. Padlet activity is an interesting activity which we did in our class, and it is displayed on this slide only. Children highly enjoyed it, and it made their concept more clear and strong. After the Padlet activity, teacher will share interesting quiz with the children on Kahoot app in a fun way. Children will play the game on it by segregating 4 kinds and putting correct punctuation mark. Activity 3. Children will be asked to make a comic strip by using 4 kinds of sentences. We have done this activity in the summer camp classes to make the topic more clear, interesting, and fun way. Learning assessment. Activity 1. Students will be asked to write down examples on Padlet, which is a digital app. Activity 2. Quiz on Kahoot digital app on sentences will be conducted. Activity 3. Comic strip making. Students will be asked to make comic strip using different kinds of sentences, and worksheets will also be done. Thank you, dear teachers. That's all about my lesson plan.